This is how to play Yiyena Jehova. The original key of the song is the key of E. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play the song using the key of E, C sharp, F sharp, and also the key of G sharp. Okay? So without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm going to start first by singing the song to you guys, and then I'll break it down after. Starting with the key of C sharp. Okay? So this is what our song says. Okay, it's quite easy. So it starts right here on C sharp major, first inversion, which is this chord. Just pause the video and watch the chords closely. And then from this one, it comes right here, okay, on F sharp major, second inversion. From F sharp major, second inversion, it comes right here on G sharp major, second inversion. And then from there, it goes back to C sharp major, first inversion. Okay? From here, it comes here. From here, it comes here. From here, goes back to the first chord. Okay? So if you want to learn more about the names of the chords and all the other things that you don't know, you can just join our private community by sending me a WhatsApp. Just send me a WhatsApp. Here's my WhatsApp number up there to get more details, okay? So from here, you can, this is number 1. From number 1, it goes to number 4. From number 4, it goes to number 5. From number 5, it goes back to number 1. All right? So on the left, we're gonna, when you hit the first chord, we go to number 1. Because on the major scale of the key of C sharp, we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. All right? You're gonna go to 1. From 1, you're gonna go to 4. All right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? 4, from 4, 5, and then back to 1. Okay? Let's play it with the beat. Okay? Let's move to the key of E. This is the key of E. Alright? So this is where our song starts, right on this chord. Pause the video and watch the chords closely. I won't be explaining the names of the chords to you guys. Okay? If you want to learn all those things, you can just send me a WhatsApp. From this chord, it comes to this one. Right? From this one, it goes to this one. Sorry, it comes to this one. From this one, it goes back to this one. Alright? I said on the key of C sharp, number 1, number 4, number 5, back to number 1. Okay? Also on the left, you go to number 1. Alright, number 4, number 5, number 1. Right? Okay? Yiyena jehova kiye, Yiyena jehova Yiyena. Alright, we are done with the key of E. Let's jump to the key of F sharp. Okay, so this is where our song starts, right on this chord. Right, just pause the video and watch the chords closely. From this chord, it comes to this one. From this one, it comes to this one. From this one, it goes back to this one. Okay, this is number 1, number 4, number 5, and number 1. All right, so on the left, you're gonna play number 1, number 4, number 5, and number 1. Okay, because on the major scale of the key of F sharp, we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And it repeats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So it's number 1, number 4, number 5, and number 1. Alright? Ali ribona riliba teriliche Yiyena, Yiyena jehova kiye. Ali ribona riliba teriliche Yiyena, Yiyena jehova kiyena. Alright, so let's move to the key of G sharp. Alright, so this is where our song starts. Alright, with this chord. Alright, from this one it comes to this one. From this one it comes to this one. From this one it goes back to the first one. Okay, number 1, number 4, number 5, number 1. So on the left you're gonna play number 1, number 4, number 5, and number 1. Because on the major scale of the key of G sharp, we have number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So it's number 1, 4, 5, 1. Okay? Let's play it with the beat. Okay, I hope you learned something today. Until we meet again, God bless you.